Good day, my dear students. I'm teacher Erick and I'm going to discuss the common basic drafting tools and their uses. Unlike other subjects, objectives of drawing cannot be obtained without the presence of drawing instruments. Each tools and materials have their own functions and uses in completing a drawing. Any activity with the aid of this mechanical instrument is called mechanical drawing. What is mechanical drawing? Mechanical drawing is the method of constructing a design or an object with the use of prescribed mechanical instrument. Okay, first, the pencil. The pencils are most commonly used tools for draftsmen. They come a different grade of softness to hardness. American system of pencils grades range from number 1 to number 3, while in the European system ranges from 9H to 9D. These are the example of the pencil. Okay, next, the rulers. Rulers are used for measuring and setting of dimensions, usually expressed in centimeters and inches, and drawing straight lines. As you can see, these are the examples of ruler. Triangles, used to draw verticals and oblique lines. The most commonly used triangle are the 45 degree and 30 degree by 60 degree. These are my examples of triangles. Okay. Okay, now, the protractors. The protractors are used for measuring and settings of angles. This is the examples of protractors. Next, the compasses. The compasses used in drawing arcs and circles. Similar to dividers, they are adjusted the same way. These are the examples of compasses. The dividers. Dividers are used to divide distances into a number of equal parts and to transfer measurements and spacing points of lines. As I said earlier, dividers looks similar to a compass. This is the examples of divider. T-square, composed of a long strip called blade and a short piece called head, used in drawing horizontal lines and also serve as a guide in drawing vertical or diagonal lines for triangle. These are the examples of T-square. Okay. Drafting drawing templates. A flat piece of plastic with standard symbols cut in it. Drafting templates are used as guides for drawing symbols on plans. Here are the examples of templates. Next, the triangular scale. A type of scale used in general drawing. The scale has a various divisions. Its main purpose is to produce the dimension full of size on drawing or to reduce or enlarge them. This example of a triangular scale. Eraser and erasing shield, used to remove pencil or ink smears. The erasing shield is made up of metal or celluloid with irregular holes. It protects the rest of the drawing when making an erasure. Here are the examples of eraser and erasing shield. Okay, next, the tapes. These are used to fasten paper to drawing board or table. Masking tape, scratch tape, and other tapes are used. Thumbtacks are sometimes used in place of tapes. Here are the examples of tapes. Look. And the French curves, used to draw irregular lines. Here are the example of French curves. Drawing paper. A drawing paper is a hard and smooth surface. It does not have groove and easily when pressure is applied to the pencil. It can withstand erasures. Oslo paper is an example of a good drawing paper. These are the example of Oslo paper and the drawing paper. Next, the tracing paper. Thin, transparent paper on which ink or pencil drawing is made for reproduction of blueprint or white print. Example of tracing paper. Look. Drawing table or drawing board refers to a table where the drawing laid and fastened. Their working edge should be perfectly straight and their surface trim and smooth, as this is the edge along the T-square. Example of a drawing table. And now, I'm done discussing the common basic drafting tools and their uses. Hope that everyone learned from it. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
And our goal is not in